Mount Roraima, Venezuela/Brazil/Guyana. Mount Roraima, the inspiration behind Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World, is a place where reality and fantasy collide. Straddling the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, this massive tabletop mountain, known as a tepui, rises dramatically above the surrounding rainforest, often shrouded in mist, adding to its mystical allure. The flat summit of Mount Roraima, which stretches over 12 square miles, is a landscape unlike any other. Its unique ecosystem is home to endemic plants and bizarre rock formations that have been sculpted by wind and rain over millions of years. Standing on the edge of the tepui, gazing out over the clouds, you might feel as if you've stepped onto another planet. The journey to the top is not for the faint-hearted, involving a challenging trek through dense jungle and up cliffs. But those who make the pilgrimage are rewarded with views that defy imagination and an experience that feels like discovering a hidden world.